check, that's beautiful. Give me as much reverb as you can without bugging it out. What's up, y'all? Duburbia in the fucking house. Jackmove and Ballyhoo in the house tonight. Duburbia couldn't be here. Apparently the singer's got a bad drug problem and he's got priapism. You ever heard of that? Priapism? It's like when you get a penis erection for like 6 hours and you gotta go to the hospital. Yeah. So he couldn't be here tonight. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna play one of Duburbia's hits here called Ladies for all the hotties in the crowd. Make some fucking noise for Ballyhoo. This song is called Ladies by Ballyhoo. Let's get ready for this. DJ!